let's start in the back. Of course, I've got the deck system with all the goodies inside. We've got the C-deck traction mat right here on top, mountain hatch here, and then we've got the D-bag full of all the essential survival stuff. Everything you need, long list. In the back here, we've got the Lightner Designs forged rack. On that rack, we've got the demo shovel, and then the tough stuff, overland rooftop tent. For tire carrier, we've got the rig supply swing out. And for tires, since we're right here in the back, we've got 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs with Mayhem wheels. For suspension, I've got the Stage 10 Icon Vehicle Dynamics, CBI rock sliders, full CBI skids. We've got the CBI covert bumper paired with the worn winch. On top, we've got the CBI Prinsu cab rack. And the whole truck is wrapped in matte PPF done by CW Wraps.